On my very first day at Portal, I do remember what I was wearing. I was wearing a blue outfit with matching accessories and matching handbag. And Gwawr was saying how delighted she was that I joined the team and that she remembered my blue jacket from my interview, and she was really pleased that I had it on again. So that was really nice. And then also Jan Hart, taking me under her wing, and I think I've been there ever since, bless her, so thank you for that. I think, in the 10 years, we've moved a lot along with technology. So the way that we deliver qualifications has changed immensely in the 10 years. In the beginning, we were looking at portfolio-based qualifications, and now everything is e-portfolio. So that's changed a lot. I think the motto, Carpe Diem, is one that I always think about. And actually, in my first week, Gwawr put a postcard on my desk with that motto on. And I feel that everyone in the team lives by that value. It's why it's a success. And I've always been really fortunate to work with line managers, for example, Joe and Kim at the moment, who live by those values as well. It has to be Sarah Heenan. What a real inspiration she is to me. She has been since I first started working with her, and she continues to be an inspiration to this day. Her calm and composed nature has such an impact, and I know she's always there for everyone. And as a role model, Sarah is one of those big influences, and I often try to think, okay, what would Sarah do in this situation if I'm not sure? I think being involved in the EQA visit, where we were awarded direct claim status for essential skills back about 9 years ago, and then maintaining that DCS status ever since. Always ask for help. Always shout out if you're struggling or you need any help, because everybody is there to help, and there's no such thing as a silly question.